Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Nay. Today, we're going to read The Farm and Farm Animals by Teacher Nay. Let's begin. You can repeat after me. He is a farmer. This is a farm. A farmer lives on the farm. These are farm animals. This is a barn. Farm animals live in a barn. This is a cow. This is a horse. This is a pig. This is a sheep. This is a rooster. This is a duck. This is a chicken. This is a chick. A chick is a baby chicken. This is a goat. This is a mouse. These are mice. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is the end of our story. But now, boys and girls, we will read the Farm and Farm Animals flashcards. Repeat after me. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Farm, farm, farm. Farm animals, farm animals. Farm animals. Barn, barn, barn. Cow, cow, cow. Horse, horse, horse. Pig, pig, pig. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Rooster, rooster, rooster. Duck, duck, duck. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chick, chick, chick. Goat, goat, goat. Mouse, mouse, mouse. Mice, mice, mice. Cat, cat, cat. Dog, dog, dog. Okay, boys and girls, that's the end. Good job. Goodbye. See you next time.